Woodville were admitted to the South Australian National Football League for the first time in 1964, but they can by no means be termed a new club. Records show that they played in 1869 and were actually a member of the South Australian Football Association, formed in 1877, although they retired in 1878. Woodville fielded a team in various associations in between that time and 1948, when they joined the Amateur League. The Peckers proved to be a powerful club in the Amateur League, and both Port Adelaide and West Torrens recruited many outstanding league players from Woodville at that time. Because of their consistently strong performances as an Amateur League club, they were admitted in 1959 to the League Seconds competition. The Peckers have every reason to be proud of their performances so far, even though they have not finished higher than 7th on the Premiership ladder. Already, they have produced some outstanding players in Bob Simonson, Ray Hupperts and Craig McKellar, who have represented South Australia. Woodville have had two former Port Adelaide players as coaches, Harold McDonald and Peter Obst. Noel Teasdale, former North Melbourne and Victorian star, is their coach.